Hi guys, and welcome to our EV conversion video. This is related to the Fiat 600 or the Zastava 750, or also like Fiat 500 and Fiat 126p. So similar or the same parts come with all of these small cars. So the battery is the same, electric motor is the same, only mounting adapter plates and things like that are different depending on the car. And of course, these big parts like this metal mount for the power distribution boxes. On the right side we have the battery pack. So this is a 12 kilowatt hour LFP battery pack, so the safest battery pack in the market you can have today. And it comes with heating system, so we have the heating switch. BMS is also installed inside, so we have all of the secure and necessary measurements to keep your battery safe and secure for temperature differences and also for the safety charge or pre-charge systems. We also provide all of the bolts and all of the connectors needed for your EV conversion to be done smoothly. You don't need to search for the bolts. We provide all of the bolts needed and exact lengths that you need for your EV conversion to become feasible. The motor is 15 or 30 kilowatt peak power, so 150 newton meters of torque, so very powerful motor. And by comparing with my hand, this is permanent magnet motor, so very powerful small motor for your Zastava or Fiat 600. It comes with charging gun also, so we have the charging gun as you can see here. This is for charging at home, and this is the charging socket. So you can install this socket in your vehicle, and it has the gear selector, so you don't need to change gears anymore. You just drive it as automatic, so forward, stop and reverse. So very easy to drive the motor. This is the controller, motor controller, so it's basically an inverter. So to convert DC power from the battery pack to the AC power for the motor, this is done by the inverter, and also sends signals to the motor and power to the motor of the converted electricity. So converting single phase DC to three phase AC. Yeah. So these three cables are three phase AC. We provide also cables. So we are providing shielded cables for EMC protection. So all of the cables are needed here. This is the adapter plate. So it originally fits on the motor. As you can see, this here increase height. It fits in the motor here, and these holes are these holes here that are designed to fit the motor holes, so you can tighten the adapter plate to the electric motor, and then other side goes to the gearbox, these 4 holes on the gearbox. Next, the charger. So this is 3.3 kilowatt charger, and it comes with the charging socket. So when you're charging your car, we have also installed communication for the charging public chargers. So this socket comes with installed LEDs. I'll show you now. Just a second. So it comes with installed LEDs. So LEDs are here, and then inside is also electronics that is designed to activate public chargers. For example, like this charger or home charger, like this charger you can see here, and then communicates with this charger, and this charger communicates with the battery, and then battery BMS decides if it needs to charge the battery or it doesn't need to charge the battery. Next is the gear coupler. So our adapter plate is designed to perfectly fit on the gearbox, original gearbox of the Zastava or Fiat 600. So we have here, this is alignment, and that's designed to fit in these bigger holes. So these alignment holes are fitted for tight, designed for tight fit on the gearbox and alignment. This teeth is also designed to tight fit on the electric motor. So you get perfect match of the motor shaft and the gearbox shaft. So you have perfectly matched center motor and gearbox shaft. Next is our coupler. So this with the teeth is the gearbox side, and this is the electric motor side. And this also goes inside to lock the motor shaft, as you can see it here, in the place. So and then transfers the power to the electric motors. Next, what you have is all other cables like accelerator pedal, wiring, loops and things like that. Accelerator pedal mount, our screen, so this is battery state of charge and battery control screen. And on this side we have the aluminum plate that covers this space of the engine bay. So it comes from here, goes to here, and then goes down, and there is only one hole for the original motor mount, that is here. So this is the hole for original motor mount, and we designed it to specially to fit inside of the Fiat 600 engine bay, and then it perfectly closes everything and looks very nice and tidy, because all of these boxes are under the car, so they are flipped over. Okay, so the next is this is a 12-volt system, and this is the high voltage system. So this 12-volt system is designed to pre-charge and control the high voltage system. In the high voltage system we have fuses, main fuse, accelerator fuse, and heater fuse and things like that. And we have also pre-charge and pre-charge resistors, small DC-DC converter that powers all of the electronics, safe switch. We have a lot of things to make your car safe in this system. So this is all designed just to manage your car, to start your car and to power your car. Okay, so we said this is a 30 kilowatt peak power electric motor coming with 150 newton meters of torque, 7,000 RPMs, so it's very fast. It has a lot of power, and you just lock it in the fourth gear and you just drive like automatic, just like you have a new car. So there is no any used part in our kits. We only provide new parts. We don't use we don't have used car parts. So we are just providing our new parts. So we are mostly designing all our parts by ourselves, and we are also providing all custom configurations for different types of cars. This is for Fiat 600, as I said, Fiat 500 and Fiat 126P. So these cars are also available with this kit. But we can also design any other car that you have. For example, if you need a Mercedes, you can contact us and we can make you an electric Mercedes or whatever other car you want. So we can provide also you with the cars. So we have preparing the cars. So these are now just prepared for the painting. So you can choose the painting for your new car. We have also cabrio versions of the car. So this is like Fiat 600. So we have we have many options to choose from in our kits. There is also option to install this all for you, because it's not an easy install. It's mostly pre-wired, as you can see here. There are many wires, but mostly it's still not let's say very simple. You still need to connect the battery and put the battery cables through the central wall. So if you are interested, we can also do this installation for you. By buying our kit, you get very special offer for the installation of the system. But for that, you need to deliver the car in Croatia, if you have the car. Or if you don't have, we can provide you one already street legal. For example, these cars are already street legal with electric power. So, as you can see, they have registration plates. And you can also choose to get a fully restored car, and then you are getting the fully done car with all the papers done, and it can also be registered and done according to your needs or your will, however you want. And if you are interested, please contact us to get more details and comments about our EV conversion kits and what do you think about this. And also we have detailed prices, so you can contact us for let's say, your car. If you have some classic car, bye for now and follow us on EV Evolution to see many other cars that we are preparing, as we have many cars that are now in the process of the building, and we'll soon record them and show the video as soon as we have some time.